Assalamualaikum, hi guys, my name is Ismail and you're watching Chekmael. So today is a Sunday. Normally I have Saturday and Sundays off for now, so I'm very grateful. Although off days are very precious, but as a first time homeowner, something that I cannot escape is actually to clean the house. I pride myself in making sure that the house is neat and clean and very well organized. I make sure that all my clothes are categorized. I make sure that all the colors are in sequence. I make sure that even in my drawers, all my coffee sachets is like arranged in the same direction. I know, right, loser? I make sure that all my drinkware, plates, all my cutleries are all I make sure that they are like neatly spaced out. They are like 15 cms apart from each other. I'm just kidding. 14.5 cm. But there is one place that I neglect after you clean the house. You just this is so tiring. So you just put everything inside this place that I call Monica's closet. Yes, I have a Monica's closet. My storage closet is like the dumping ground. Let me show you. Let me show you my dirty laundry. Look at, oh my god. Does a person, is it normal to be this messy? MashaAllah. Let's start from here. So this is where I hang part of the vacuum, my luggage here, and then I have like an ASOS delivery which still haven't opened yet, a box of remnant wooden stuff. Here is just the dumping ground, you know, things that I need but I just don't find like a proper storage for it yet. I have another ASOS delivery, and then I have like a container that I'm supposed to put like my cleaning supplies. I just bought this container to put my tools, feather duster on top of the fan, hanging cables here. Another ASOS delivery, vacuum is there, my trolley is there. I'm such an uncle, I have a trolley now. So let's put my brush on the trolley. Okay, so after I organize, I must make sure that I maintain the cleanliness of my storage closet, inshallah. Okay, so these are the things that I've taken out from my storage closet. This is a canvas bag that I got from Thailand like super long time ago. I actually put some of the shoes that I actually do not want anymore. I only have one luggage, one small luggage, because I've never been an avid traveler. I have this box of wooden bamboo, and one of the problems is that they get moldy. From what I learned is that I need to leave them under the sun to draw out all the moisture, and then I have to spray some kind of fungicide so that it will not grow moldy anymore. I keep a lot of packaging still because I don't know why, I just don't feel comfortable throwing them yet. I have this ASOS boots that I'm not into right now. I just bought this container to organize. I have my cleaning tools here, and then I have this wow, I cannot believe I become like this. I have all this candle glass. Nearby my place, there's this recycling bin, so I probably toss them there. I have this light that I bought from Daiso, and then I didn't want to use them anymore. I have my drill here, and I have another ASOS package, two ASOS packages, a wooden fan. It doesn't really work, it's more aesthetic. And then I have this bag of clothes that I want to give away, and then I have my vacuum, which is going to be in the storage closet. So yeah, let's get packing, Ismail, inshallah. So these are the things that are going to go inside the storage closet. I have my tools here, I have my drill here, I have my toolbox, I have this toolbox that I bought to actually keep a lot of the random stuff. I have my extra batteries, measuring tape, some S-hooks, magnet, wet wipes, I don't know why I just put it here, masking tape, trash bags, you know, things that you might need, and then you have no place to put it, so I just put everything inside one of these toolbox. I also bought another storage box from Mr. DIY, and these are all the bits and bobs from all my IKEA big furniture. I collected so many that I decided that I think I should just organize and put it in one container. And then I also have all these wires that you might need, so you know, you just keep them in one place. My lights in one container. I have some ropes here. You know, I was planning to, like, you know, skip. I'm planning to get rid of this. I'm gonna put it in the recycling bin outside. So yeah. Okay, here we go. So this is my updated Monica's closet. So, yay! I actually built more shelves so that I can accommodate a lot of the smaller things. My extra IKEA things. My lights over here. These are all my tools. This is the Mr. DIY container that contains a lot of like small little stuff. I have a problem with this moldy bamboo accessories, so I like temporarily put this stuff here, and then I have my cable, and this is actually the Allen key, and it's not mine, it's my brother's, so I have to give it back. This basket has all the feather duster. I have 2 brooms over here for different areas of the house. It's so hard for me to let go of my clothes, even though they are like the clothes that I don't want anymore, but I just don't want to give it away like that. I want to make sure that the person wants it. I have my extra fan here. Below, I decided to take the shelving out so that I can just push my trolley in. So after uncle does his grocery shopping, just simply push it into place. The vacuum is the heaviest and I always use it, so it's like the best place over there. And then I still hang part of my vacuum cleaner here. It's very convenient for me. And then I have my Muji broom here. So yeah, so this is an organized Monica's closet. Inshallah, fingers crossed, I'm gonna like keep it neat and tidy till I see you next time. Bye.